Hi cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Billie Eilish. She is definitely one of my favorite artists right now, and my favorite new song of hers is Bad Guy. I just love how she's able to pull off her own style and make it look so cool. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw Billie, we're going to first start by drawing the bottom of her face. So right here I'm going to start and draw a curve. I like the bottom of a U. Go back up. There, so curve right there for the bottom of her face. And then we're just going to kind of imagine just an oval for her face. So just kind of draw this imaginary oval. So then about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point. So about right there. And this is where her hair is going to part. So from this point right here, I'm just going to come down with a curve and draw her hair. So it's going to come right back down to that point and curve it out. So same thing right here. We're going to come down this way now to the right here. Come down and we're going to aim towards that point. And hit it and curve out. So once again, it's just this oval shape that you're trying to get, so come about right here for that point. So then from there, let's bring her to life. We're going to come in this area right here where you started this curve. So right next to the edge, we're going to draw a circle for the eyes. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So right there. So this eye is going to be slightly covered by her hair. So about right there. And finish the circle inside. So then let's come in here and make them just so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. Make this slightly bigger. Okay, so same thing. There, we have the eyes in. Now let's come right here and we're going to slant some lashes down. So I'm going to come right here and slant downwards. Maybe just two, nice and simple. And come in here and thicken them back. And so same thing over here. So slant them down. And one more. And let's draw her eyebrows. So I'm going to come up about right here, give myself a point, and they're kind of straight and long, so I'm just gonna very slight curve, and I can just come in here and thicken it. So same thing over here, about right there. So I'm just gonna see a little part of it and thicken it. Okay. So then from there, let's draw her mouth. If you want, you can give her a smile, but it's Billie Eilish, right? She's so cool. So I'm just going to give her a little slight downward pout. So about right here, right in the center. And cap it off. So it's all up to you if you want to do this, or you can give her a smile. Okay, so then from there, let's come back up here where her hair parts. And so I'm just going to draw a very light line right there. About in this area, I'll start to draw her hair. So this part goes up and this part comes down. So very taper to her head. So we're just going to bring this down. And curve it a little bit if you want. And so this part is just going to come up a little bit more And then we're going to start to come down. And draw some parting lines if you like. Okay, so then from there, before we finish off her hair, let's draw her body. So I'm going to come right in the center and give her a little neck. Right there. And we're going to draw shoulders. So come down, curve out. And so then from there, let's see here, let's give her a collar first. Simple, round collar. And let's imagine kind of her armpits, so her shoulders, right there. So armpits say about right here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. And I'm just going to slight angle line down on both sides. And before we finish that, let's finish this detail right here. So I'm just going to give myself a point right here and go up. And I'll come in here with a straight line down. A detail, another line. Okay. So then from there, we're going to give her very baggy sweats. So I'm going to come right here and come down more, flaring it out. And they're going to be pretty low because they're baggy. So about right, I'll just keep coming down. I'm going to flare it out a little bit more. Let's bring this down to kind of know where we're going. Straight down. And say about right there, I'll start to bring it in. And towards the center, they're going to come down a little bit more and then go back up. And then you can come in here for some detail. So this would be the bottom cuff area. And just bring this straight line all the way down. Okay, so then now let's come down here. Give herself a little space and say about right here. Draw a slight angle line down. Connect it with another line lightly. She has very baggy shorts too, right? So we're going to go even lower, and then from there, draw 2 lines out. So then in this area right here, let's finish off her shorts. So come down. Okay, so before we finish that, now we know her hips are in this area. Let's draw her hands. So I'm going to come down, some baggy sweats, the sleeves. So about right here, curve it out a little bit and bring it in. Nice long cuffs. She loves these long sleeves, right? We barely see her fingers. So I'm just going to add a little curve right there. And in here, just add some details. So same thing over here. So come out. And once again in this area, about right here. And I'll pop it up. And connect. And once again the cuff. And barely see her hands. Some details right there. So then let's come back up here and finish this. And for some details, you can put a little band right here. A stripe. And okay, let's finish her shorts. So I'm going to keep coming down. Say about that much. And I'll just go ahead and connect it. There. And then let's draw her feet. So I'm going to pop them out about right here. Hips, legs. So about right here. just a little bit because these are very long shorts. And come in here with her socks, so cut it off. Pair of socks. And then cut it off again for her shoes. And we're just gonna bring it out. Right here, straighten it up and turn and connect. So just to make it very simple, let's just come in here with 2 little curves for some detail. Okay, so same thing over here. So here's, once again, socks. And connect, and 2 little lines right there. Okay, so then I'm just gonna give it some graphics right here. Just add a stripe. It's one of the outfits I saw that she was wearing. And let's see here. Oh, and her hair. Let's come back up, and we're just gonna taper it and come out a little bit. And about right here where we're gonna stop, just give it some strands. So same thing over here. Taper it in a little bit, come out. And last but not least, I'm gonna put a heart right here. So now she's my Draw So Cute Billie Eilish. So there, hope you guys love my Draw So Cute version of Billie Eilish. And let me know in the comments below what your favorite song of hers is. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.